guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to share this video for you guys today because I haven't done cut crease in a long time. So this is kind of like the first time in a long time, or in months probably. So I'm really excited to share this tutorial for you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just dive in. So I've already done my other eye. I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder over here because I don't like putting tape on the sides. So see if that works out. We'll just brush it off later. All right, so to begin with, what I'm using for today is our BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 Color Shadow Palette. And I am going to use just this kind of like flat brush. And I'm using this color and I just wanna mix them together. So you're gonna do like this, and you're gonna just touch base. Yep, go back and forth, go back and forth. All right. Okay, and then you kind of tap the excess. So you're gonna go a little bit more above your crease line. It should be over here. Okay. So let's go ahead and do it. So I'm using another fluffy brush to kind of just blend it a little bit. All right, and I'm using my Morphe M330. It's a big brush. So after blending that, I'm gonna go ahead and just grab my Morphe M507, which is this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this black color over here. These one. Now, the BH Cosmetics black color, it's really pigmented, so you want to make sure that you just get just a little bit and kind of assess, you know, how dark you wanted it to be. So I'm just getting just a little bit and then just tapping the excess until I get, you know, the color that I wanted. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just go just below the color. See, I'm going just below it to kind of shadow the crease. So you don't want to go all the way, so you're just going to do it like that. Then we're going to go back to this flat brush over here and just grab, you know, go back to the first color that you did and just kind of, we're going to try to blend it out. And then again, don't worry about the bottom part over here. We're gonna clean that up later. Using the Morphe M507, we're just gonna go ahead and kind of once again blend that out. I didn't put any color on it. I'm just trying to blend it out. So now that we have those two colors together, we're gonna go ahead and just blend it out a little bit more with Morphe M330. Just follow the line. There you go. So after doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease this time. So I'm going to get my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Ta-da! And then just gonna go ahead and put it over here. We need to work a little bit faster because it gets dry a little bit. And I really don't work with primers, like eye primers, because I feel like it gets dry fast. Like, see the consistency? We'll see. Alright, so I have cut the crease right now. It's looking nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put like a little shimmer over here. Not really shimmer, but I normally put it like in the corner of my eyes. And surprisingly, this is not really for that, but I really like how it kind of highlights it. So I'm going to use the Kiss Brow Powder actually, and it's this color over here. See, a little bit dirty. It's this color over here. It's a brow powder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and just pat it over here in the corner. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this pointy brush over here, which is this brush over here. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the this color and this color. So we're gonna mix it again. This is just for the edge or the corner over here. So you might want to put a little bit more powder because that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So after that, you're gonna go ahead and just kind of shape it right now. So it's over here. Do it slowly. Sometimes it's really hard to shape it, but you have to have a steady hand and patience, I guess. Okay, so we have shaped the corner. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a very thin brush, a little brush over here, which is our Morphe M326. I can never get to memorize all the brushes. All I know is a tiny brush, a thick brush, a fluffy brush. And we're gonna grab that black color from our BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 color shadow palette. And again, be very careful of grabbing a lot of that black eyeshadow color because it's really pigmented. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put it on top of this color. All right, there you go. See that? So be very careful. Ooh. Then again, if you made a boo-boo, you can always use our trusty concealers to do it. So how's everybody doing with their kind of allergies? If you notice I keep sniffling, it is because my allergies are killing me. Like I have to take allergy pill every single day. If I sneeze, you will know that it was me because I sneeze super loud and it's so embarrassing, but what can I do? Covering your nose doesn't work anymore, so it doesn't work anymore. Alright, so now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab again that thin brush we have from the very beginning, and we're gonna go ahead and just grab the same color, which is this one. We only use 3 colors over here, which is this one, and that one. You probably said, oh my god, you got tons of colors over there, you don't use it. You know, this enough is really complicated already. I haven't done double cut crease in like maybe a few months now. It's just because it's super busy, you know, when you got, you know, job and you got kids running around, so you kind of assess what you wanted to do. But really this is what I love to do. I love to put makeup, I love to play with colors, and you know, you can really never, you know, say goodbye to, you know, what you really love to do. Anyways, so after grabbing that, you're gonna mix the color once again, right? And you're gonna go ahead and just pack it over here. Ooh, look at how pigmented that thing is. Alright, so we're going back to our Morphe little brush over here, M326, and we're gonna go ahead and go back to that black color. Again, make sure that you don't soak your brush just a little bit because we just want to blend in the color. There you go. We just want to get that in there. Alright, so we're cleaning up that area now. There you go. Ooh, that's awesome. Okay, really like that color. What do you guys think? Like that purple kind of dark color over there. It's really nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab these pointy eyeliners over here. I'm using e.l.f. right now. It's really, really good. Alright, so I'm almost done. Last but not the least, we're gonna go ahead and grab this glitter liquid eyeliner over here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description down below. You can get it on my website under ddg-av.com. That's ddg-av.com. We have different colors. We got the red, we got the green, we got the gold, the pumpkin color. We have mostly all the colors. We got pink color, we got silver color. So I'm using right now, it's kind of like a light gold. Okay, it's not like I have a different color. I have a really gold color. This is the light gold color version of it. So we're gonna go ahead and just put it over here. Kind of fades. Awesome. All right. Make sure that we dry it first before we start blinking, because sometimes it doesn't dry up and it's gonna mess up the cut crease. So now we're done with the upper eye. I'm pretty okay with that. You guys can grab any black eyeliner, whichever works for you guys. This one works for me because it's like a charcoal color. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my waterline. All right, doesn't have to be perfect right now because you're gonna go ahead and kind of smudge it a little bit. So you know what? I normally use the bottom or the tip of my eyeliner. I mean, it works for me. Depends on you guys, but this one works for me, just to smear it a little bit. So we're gonna go back and grab the brush that we used from the very, very beginning, and we're gonna touch base with the colors that we used a while ago, so which is this one and that one. Okay, all right, so again, this is the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 color shadow palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it over here. So now we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and just brush it up again with the powder because there's a lot of fall offs, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and grab just a fluffy brush over here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of blur the lines a little bit. I'm gonna grab my Smashbox over here, courtesy of Mary, and I have my favorites. Can you tell? So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this color over here, and I'm going to grab my fluffy brush over here, and I'm gonna contour. So alrighty, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend it. I'm gonna use my Tawny Beige from Jordana. I like this, not really bad, and it's very affordable. I'm gonna just put a little bit of contour on my nose. Alright, so after the contour, after the blush, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. You know, like this color over here. It's kind of bronzy. Sometimes I mix it over here. Like, and I just grab this brush. Mostly not for that. But the one I got last time, it didn't work out. See that, guys? So you just highlight your cheeky bones and your nose. There you go. Let's do it more. There you go, guys. I am done. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop my eyelashes and my lippy on, and I will be back, so stay tuned. And that's the end of our tutorial for today. I do hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you liked this video, please do hit that like button, and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you do have thoughts and comments or suggestions, don't forget to put that in the comment section down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when new videos come in. Until my next video, I really enjoyed spending time with you guys. I will see you again soon. Bye. Bye.